Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's silver. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys, black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Come around back. GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give it blind spot assist, heated seats, a natural grain black winded wood trim, power windows, heated steering wheels, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. We also got smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Rear view backup camera. Touchscreen media display. Also new to Mercedes is our MBUX, which stands for Mercedes-Benz User Experience. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes, turn heated seats on."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
And as simple as that, you're able to give it voice commands. Dual climate controls, wireless charging, USB port, touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic select for our different driving patterns. This GLA has 4,664 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.